Hello everyone, welcome to the next session on ANSYS Workbench tutorials. In this session, we will be analyzing yet another mobile phone stand. This is a continuation of the previous analysis that we have done. I'll be analyzing a different type of stand today. So we'll first go to static structural and double click on it. I'll go to engineering data sources, general materials. I will choose stainless steel as one material, aluminium alloy and polyethylene as the materials. Next, I will go to project, update project. Now I'll go to geometry. I have already created the model. So I'll go to import geometry, and this is the mobile phone stand that I've already created, that I've imported now. Now I'll go to model and double click on it. So you can see here, this is another type of mobile phone stand. I will first go to geometry and change the material to polyethylene. Next, I will go to mesh. I'll change the sizing to fine and update it. So this is the mesh that is done. Next, I'll go to static structural and I will insert fixed support to the bottom edge, as we know that this will be lying with the table surface, so it will be fixed. Now on these two surfaces, again I'm going to apply force like the previous example, and the value will also be exactly the same. You can go to the previous video of the first mobile phone stand analysis, where you will get the values and how I have done the calculation. So I'll take the same value and I'll do the analysis here. So on this surface, I'm going to apply force. I'll change vector to component. The direction is very important here. If you observe, this direction is the x-axis. So along the x-axis, I'm going to apply force of minus 1.48 Newton. You can see here, that's where the mobile is going to rest. And also the bottom edge is where the bottom of the mobile is going to rest. So here also I'll apply the force. You can check out the calculation as to how I'm getting these values. So this direction now is z. So the value is minus 0.23 Newton. Now once I have given the boundary conditions, I will go to solution and insert deformation total. Also I will insert strain and stress as a result. I will go to solution and solve. The material that we have chosen is polyethylene. So for polyethylene, we'll see the deformation in the stand. We'll just animate and check out the result. The maximum value of deformation will be 0.25 mm, which means it is 0.25 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter, which means it is really small, if you can understand. You can see where the deformation will be more, and these ends are going to have zero deformation because it is almost fixed here. This is the strain value that you can see. And the most important thing, that is a stress test, is what we are doing for the mobile stand. So you can see the value of stress is more at these edges and it is minimum at these edges where it is dark blue. And the maximum stress that we generated on the stand is 0.58 megapascal using polyethylene. Now suppose if I change the material to say aluminium alloy and solve it once again. We will check the deformation. It has reduced to 0.004 mm. This is the elastic strain over the body, and this is the equivalent stress. The stress has increased. It is 0.6 megapascal. For polyethylene, it was 0.5 megapascal. So the stress generated using polyethylene was less as compared to aluminium alloy. So you can just animate and check this result. Now let's change this material once again to stainless steel, so that for this stand we can just decide more or less which material would be better, because the structure is causing a particular amount of stress. Even though the mobile phone has the same 150 gram as a weight, then also the stress is varying over the body. Also, you can see the deformation is differently distributed on the body. The reason is the shape of the body. So we need to understand that for this shape, which material would be better. If you see with stainless steel, the deformation is 0.001559. And let's check the stress. It is 0.61637 megapascal. So aluminium alloy and stainless steel are giving 0.6 megapascal as the stress, and polyethylene has given 0.5 megapascal. So you can go for polyethylene, but if you want to have a non-plastic one, then you can either choose between aluminium alloy or stainless steel. Though stainless steel will not be a good choice, the reason being it will be a little heavy in weight. So if you take up aluminium alloy, it will be resistant to corrosion. Also, it will be light in weight and cheaper. So if at all you have to decide between the material, you should take up aluminium alloy as the choice. Otherwise, polyethylene is no doubt it is good. It's a thermosetting plastic. It will show durability for a longer duration of time. So you can use polyethylene as well. But if not plastic, then aluminium alloy could be a better choice. So with this, I end the session. I hope you have understood how to analyze a mobile phone stand for stress test. If you have any doubts, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.